Hey there, small business owners. Are you making these common cybersecurity mistakes that could put your business at risk? Mistake number 1. Not having a firewall. A firewall is like a security guard for your computer network. It blocks unauthorized access and protects your data. To fix this, make sure you have a firewall enabled on your computer and network. You can also configure it to block specific types of traffic. Mistake number 2. Weak passwords and authentication. Using weak passwords or not having two-factor authentication can make it easy for hackers to access your data. To fix this, use a password manager to generate strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Also, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Mistake number 3. Not updating software and systems. Outdated software and systems can leave you vulnerable to cyber attacks. To fix this, make sure you regularly update your operating system, software, and plugins. Also, enable automatic updates whenever possible. Mistake number 4. Not backing up data. If you don't back up your data, you could lose everything in case of a cyber attack or hardware failure. To fix this, make sure you regularly back up your important data to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. Mistake number 5. Not training employees on cybersecurity. Your employees are your first line of defense against cyber attacks. Make sure they know how to identify and report suspicious activity. To fix this, provide regular cybersecurity training for your employees. Also, encourage them to report any suspicious activity to your IT department. There you have it, folks. The top 5 cybersecurity mistakes small businesses make and how to fix them. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant and stay safe.